Hey, what's going on, everyone? Well, today's the day I start cutting out the liner. I'm gonna use an angle grinder and a diamond abrasive disc, and we'll see if that does the trick. Let's get to it. All right, I removed the bulkhead and the compression post. I've got that out, and I'm about to start cutting this out right here. I don't know what I'm going to get into or how I'm going to do this ultimately. I'm just going to start right here and cut up and try to remove this part of the compression post. And I'm wanting to put all this back. If not, I'll have to rebuild all this with plywood or cusa board. But I'm trying to take it out in a way that I can put it back. So that's the goal. I don't know if I'll be able to or not, but anyway, we'll find out. It's much bigger in here now, and there is no damage to the hull anywhere that I've cut so far. I'll cut around the keel, get all that removed, and if there's any cracking, it's going to be back here, or maybe around the hull, around the keel there. Not sure what this is. It looks like they stuffed a piece of a remainder of a roll of fiberglass in there. You can see the cardboard. Never seen that technique before. But everything so far looks good. I'll have to get this all off of here and inspect around here and see how that looks. But so far that has shown no cracking so far at all. That's all just liner stuff. see. I'll have to take a look at this area right here, but I think everything is going to be fine. So I've cut around the keel here, and you can see, to lift this up, just wondering, is there any other SJ24 that has this rock hard coring instead of wood? I've got this throughout the boat. Just wonder if there's any other SJ24 that had the same coring in it. All right, I've got all the fiberglass liner cut out, and I've got the hull exposed, and there's no damage. As you can see, there's no damage anywhere to the hull. What I've got is, looks like this area here is embedded with this concrete-like substance. It's not concrete, but it's a concrete-like substance. It's very hard. You can see it right here, and all of this is embedded with this substance. It's very, very hard, and all the way back here. This is the coring material. It is a liquid foam, and you can see when they poured it, in this area right here where it didn't foam up or it didn't cure properly. Another area here. But the entire boat is made of this core right here. It's a hard liquid substance that they poured in here, injected in here. There is no balsa wood coring. It's all that. And I'm going to cut all this out, all of this area here with that coring material. And I'm going to lay fiberglass over this whole area. What I'll do is I'll leave the boats exposed. I'll put PVC pipe around each of these boats, and then fill all this up with fiberglass and lay it in here. And I'll always be able to inspect and remove the bolts if necessary, but it'll stiffen up this area here. I'm not talking about doing the whole boat. I'm just talking about around the keel to reinforce all of that. Instead of putting floors or stringers, I'm just going to put about 6 layers of fiberglass over that area to stiffen that up. Now I have another question, and I would like for you guys to help me out. I'm stuck with, do I want to continue to cut out all of the remaining liner, all of it, and it goes all the way back there, and all of this, and go back with custom interior, wood interior, or do I want to put it back? I've got the pieces I cut out here. And I can put all this back. Would be easy. And please leave any kind of comments, what you might suggest. Definitely stuck with a question, what do I do from here? I know I'm going to fiberglass the hull. I'm going to do that part. But what do I do with the remaining furniture? I'd like to go back with wood, plywood furniture, you know, mahogany or antique and holly antique flooring. That would be real nice. It's just a matter if I can or if I should. Big questions I need to ask and answer. Anyway, that's all the time I have for this video. So please hit the like button, subscribe. It helps grow the channel. That's how the YouTube algorithm works. The more likes I get, the more times I've shared this video, and that will definitely go a long ways in helping me grow the channel. This costs a lot of money. It's very expensive and time consuming, and it's all out of my pocket. I'm not looking for reimbursement, anything like that, but it would be nice to grow the channel to make it worthwhile. So anyway, if you would, hit the like button, and we'll see what happens next. Thank you.